Hello my fellow handsome gentlemen, I'm Piotr Grotnik from Men's Improvement, and in this video I will review Lumene Skincare, specifically this Nordic-C Glow Essential Skincare set. Lumene is a Finnish skincare brand. On their packaging it says that they want to create skincare with wildcrafted ingredients, upcycled ingredients. It is sustainably made in Finland. Their skincare products are made with recycled and recyclable materials. Lumene skincare products are also vegan, and on the back side of the skincare set you can also see how big of a percentage of the product is actually from naturally derived ingredients. So that is also very cool if you're interested in knowing that. And this set is going to be a vitamin C focused skincare set. I'm going to talk about the price of the skincare set, what types of products this skincare set includes, the ingredients and the ingredients lists of the products in this set, the application process and how I feel about products, and finally my final opinion and rating of Lumene Skincare and this specific set right here. Let's begin. In terms of what this skincare set actually includes, it's going to be a cleansing gel scrub, a glow boost essence serum, a day cream and a night cream. So you get a whole system which you can use both in daytime and nighttime, which I think is very great because it brings very great versatility and great accessibility for the use of this skincare system. The price point, and this 4-step skincare system that Lumene offers with vitamin C ingredients will set you back 25 euros, which is around $27.50. I think for the size of the products themselves, I think it's a very decently sized and decently priced skincare set. So I think that's a W. This next point is one of the most important things in looking at skincare products, and I'm talking about the ingredients and the overall ingredients lists. The things that I immediately spotted that I was kind of iffy about is at the near bottom of each product there is fragrance in them, and you could tell when you're trying the products that they have a great smell to them. And oftentimes whenever skincare products smell either funny or have a great scent to them, they might be slightly damaging for your skin and your skin barrier, or they might irritate your skin straight away when you're applying them. But let's talk about that a little further in the review. Not only did I see that there's fragrance in every single product in this set, these products have very long ingredients lists compared to what I typically like and recommend people using. And the majority of the ingredients are either great or decent ingredients, but some of these ingredients might not have been needed in this formula. So not only does it have fragrance and a lot of filler ingredients that might not have been needed in these formulas, but they also have a lot of ingredients that give off a scent to the products which are not needed by any means. So that was a little disappointing, but for the price I couldn't really complain, as long as they didn't hurt my skin or irritate my skin, because I was only going to use this skincare set for a short period of time so I could review this set and talk about it to you guys. Right after ingredients, I want to talk about the application process and how the products actually felt on my skin. The cleanser I was a little iffy about, because when I saw that it was a scrub cleanser, I could immediately spot these small particles inside of the cleanser. I'm not entirely against scrubbing or exfoliating in a skincare routine. I don't do it frequently because I have very sensitive skin, and my skin can immediately feel that there's a lack of moisture and protection after scrubbing or exfoliating. But I must say I really enjoyed this cleanser. It was very gentle, easy to use, easy to wash off. It was foaming a lot very quickly, but I don't mind that a lot, and it was simply a pleasure to use, even though I was a little skeptical about it. Next up, the serum. I was very skeptical about seeing vitamin C, which I have previously had bad experience with, and fragrance in the formula, but I was pleasantly surprised whenever I applied it onto my skin. I didn't feel any irritation at all. There was instantly hydration and great moisture on my skin, which was a huge plus. Vitamin C is scientifically proven to help the skin brightening up and generally help with the moisture of the skin, and a lot more other benefits which you can see on the screen right now. Going back to the serum, it was a pleasure to use, even though I was skeptical with the formula And finally, I want to talk about the moisturizers. And for the third and fourth time, I was pleasantly surprised with how the moisturizers, both the daily and the night moisturizer, felt on my skin when I applied them. There was no harsh sensation, no irritation, no itching at all, even though both of these moisturizers smell amazing, which concludes that there's a lot of fragrance in these moisturizers. But being a person myself who has very sensitive skin, I didn't feel any irritation from any of these products whatsoever. They were very pleasant to use, instant moisture, instant protection, and I really enjoyed them. The daily moisturizer was very smooth and creamy to use, while the night moisturizer was also very creamy but slightly thicker, which I typically like for a night cream to be. So Lumene, great job. So gentlemen, my final opinion and rating of the Lumene Nordic-C Vitamin C Skincare set. I think it was very decent actually. The price is very great. The ingredients list might not have suited my standards, my preferred length and quality, but whenever I tried the products on my skin for a week's period, I was pleasantly surprised with the result and actually how the products feel on my skin. So my final opinion about this set is that it's great. It's great if you want vitamin C in your skincare routine and if you want to try a whole set from Lumene, possibly because of the price and because you want to try vitamin C in your skincare routine. The only things I would say about this set is that I would have loved for the formulas and the ingredients to be toned down, especially in length of the formula, to make it slightly more simple and erase all of these fragrant ingredients, just to be more simplified and easier for people with very sensitive skin to use. In terms of immense improvement rating of the Lumene Nordic-C Glow Essentials set, I will give an 8 out of 10. I think an 8 out of 10 is a great rating. So gentlemen, did you enjoy this skincare set review? Have you heard of Lumene before, or have you considered trying any vitamin C products into your skincare routine? Let me know in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to Immense Improvement YouTube channel for more videos about skincare, grooming, style, fashion, fragrance, fitness, anything that will make you, gentlemen, the best possible versions of yourselves. The last few things I want to ask you is to smile more because it's free and I want you to watch these videos right here. This one is my latest upload and this one is a video that the YouTube algorithm thinks you will enjoy.